Good afternoon. I'm back on YouTube from my holiday break. Winter holiday schedule for Slavs is pretty interesting. It starts with Catholic Christmas, which isn't celebrated that much in Slavic communities, but everyone gets ready for the New Year, so it counts. Then, the holiday of the year, the New Year, on December 31st. Orthodox Christmas follows it later, then Old New Year, and my birthday. The last one is a national holiday, but it is celebrated among limited amount of people. You might think, that is great! I'm lucky to collect so much presents in short period of time. Nope. Usually I get one present that covers all holidays. But also I get to hang out with a cat during the Christmas break, which is priceless. You're going to understand later why I started this presents drama. Tradition of Kolyadki has its roots in Slavic pagan times. On the winter solstice day, people would dress up in weird clothes or in animal costumes and sing songs to neighbors, wishing good harvest and prosperity to celebrate the birth of new sun and the new year. The word Kolyadki comes from Kolyada, the name of Slavic god of young sun, who brings the sunlight and knowledge to the world. That is why Slavs who went trick-or-treating on Kolyadki day would always carry homemade star or sun prop. How would it look? On the day X, which depended on the winter solstice day, a group of people of all ages gets together for Kolyadki. This activity wasn't just for kids. It must be at least 3 people in the group, because one is carrying the star, another rings a bell to notify others that Kolyadki, this is people who do Kolyadki, are coming, and the third one carries a bag for treats. Kolyadki would come to the door, throw a bunch of wheat or barley for the house prosperity, and sing a song for the house, then receive a treat. Kids would go to collect treats during the day, and adults would have fun during the evening. Turning people away was considered a very bad thing, so you better to prepare treats for everyone who knocks your door during Kolyadki time. According to the tradition, more people visited your house, better luck you're going to have in the following year. Important note: when you trick or treating on the Kolyadki day, you must not touch treats that people give you. The owners of the house should pass treats directly to the bag, and after the day is over, Kolyadki would eat it together right away. Kolyadki season finishes with a mystery touch, fortune-telling. People would use cards, water, mirror and candle to predict their fortunes. Guess what happened after Christianization? The ritual started to be associated with the birth of Christ. How surprising! Therefore, pagan songs started to incorporate biblical motifs. The prop star that Slavs would carry for god Kolyada transformed into Bethlehem star. Also, the date became stable. Kolyadki started to be celebrated from Orthodox Christmas, which is January 7, until Epiphany evening on January 18th. This period called Svyatki, which means holidays in Russian. Christmas date for Orthodox branch is different because Slavs still use Julian calendar instead of Gregorian. Kolyadki can happen in any of those days, depending on the region, even on my birthday. However, people mostly trick-or-treat on the Old New Year day, January 14th, which is regular New Year day according to the Julian calendar. Currently, the tradition of Kolyadki is dying in most of the Slavic world. Of course, people are still aware of this tradition and somewhat practice it, but it isn't that big of a deal anymore. One of few places where you can witness rich traditions of Kolyadki is Ukraine, where it's celebrated in all its glory up to this day. What do you think? Are you going to celebrate Slavic Winterween this season? Let me know in the comments below. As for now, don't forget to join the Slavic Hub and bear with me until the next episode. Сеем, посеваем, с Новым годом поздравляем!